welcome to my channel. I'm Naturally AJ, and today I will be using two products that I've been wanting to use for a long time, and that is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In and the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope my hair turns out, because I'm always on the lookout for nice, creamy products that really does well on my hair. And hopefully these two will work on my hair. I'm hoping, okay? So, but anyway, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I have nothing on my hair. Nothing. It's dry. I need to put in the leave-in, and then possibly my oil, and then the souffle. So here we go. Here we go. Woo! Look at that there. Look at that. My goodness. I need to spray my hair with some water first before I get started. So, oh, by the way, I parted my hair in 3 different sections. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do a side part this time. I know normally I do a middle part, but I'm going to switch it up and try something a little different. So hopefully that'll work out too. But anyway, let me spray my hair. Get them ends. Get those ends. Get inside too. Ugh. Okay. Now here goes the leave-in. Oh, Lord. It's a pump. Okay, I was able to get some out. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Kind of runny, not that thick. I'm used to thicker leave-ins. Hopefully this works on my hair. Okay, well, let's give it a try. Let's put it in. Okay, so it went in my hair nicely. I like that. I need to put some on my ends. It went in nicely. So far, so good. Wipe this on my towel. Alright. And I have got to use some oil. I have to use some oil. My almond oil. Can you see it? The light won't even show. Yeah. Put a little bit on. Okay. Like a big old afro puff on the side of my head. Okay. All right, let's continue with the twisting souffle. Smells good. It actually smells like pomegranate and honey. It smells really good. Let's see how thick it is. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I never used it. I'm just dipping my finger in it now. Okay. Wait a minute, just... That's really thick. I like that. Hopefully it'll go in my hair nicely, so... Here we go. Gotta take care of those ends. The oldest part of your hair. Okay. It's moisturizing my hair, I could tell. I like it so far. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm gonna do a flat twist. And you know what, guys? Let me tell you something. I found something I fell in love with. This right here, Tangle Teaser. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. Watch this. See? The way it went through my tangles, bam. Look at that. Boom. Smooth. Yes. I love this. I got it from Ulta for, I think it was like $14.99. But look at that. And look how it does the curls. Look at that. What? You guys see that, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me go ahead and start the flat twist. How thick is that one? Maybe I'll make that a little slimmer. Hey guys, I like the way this cream feels in my hair. If you have really thick hair, I would urge you to give this a try. But let's see. Well, we have to wait and see the final results, right? But I'm gonna flat twist my hair towards my face. Good twist. Twist at the end. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. A little bit more. No, maybe I shouldn't have. Well, I'm pretty heavy-handed on product. I'm sure a lot of us are. Us natural hair people. We love that product. Okay, here I go. Flat twisting again. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, finish up the twist, and come back and show you how many twists I have. I'm gonna do all flat twists. So once I finish, I will come back. So I will see you guys in a minute. Yes. Hello everyone, it's 2 days later and I'm ready to take down these flat twists right here. Okay, so are you ready to get started? Let's get started. All right, here we go. All right, let me take this out. I use this, I pull back my twist to stretch my hair some, so I won't have all that shrinkage. So that's what I do. That's one of my little tricks. But let's take down these twists. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, let's keep moving. All right. I took down all the twists. What do you think? I think it works. Oh, look at this in the front. That's kind of long. I don't know. You guys know how I get scissor happy. I don't know. What? Okay. I think that's kind of cute how that kind of hangs over my eye like that. Okay, but who knows? Who knows with me and scissors? Who knows? But anyway, this is to take down with Mielle. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Yep. By the way, the last video I did, the growth update, hair growth challenge update, after I did that video, my ends were feeling really rough. I had to clip my ends. I had to clip my ends. So if you guys see my hair looking like it's a little shorter, it's just a little bit. I just had to go through and just snip those ends, because you know how at the ends when your ends are feeling like rough and like crumbly, and actually I had a lot of single strand knots, but I had to get rid of them. Yes, I did. I had to get rid of those things. But you know, you have to do that to keep your hair healthy. Right. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, well, my thoughts on Mielle. Let me grab this. My thoughts on Mielle. The leave-in was just okay. It was thin. I prefer thicker leave-in products because for some reason, excuse me, thicker products absorb better in my hair, and I have thick hair. But this was just okay. It was just okay. Not sure I would use it again, probably with this, because, since it's on the same team, maybe, I don't know. But the leave-in was okay. The twisting souffle is all of that. Yes, it is all of that. I love it. I love it. Thick, it went in my hair. If you find my hair, as you can see, it did a great job. So I found yet another good curling cream, which is so good. I'm always excited when I find a good curling cream. And that one made the list. My top 10. I should do a video with my favorite curling creams. What do you think? I think so. But anyway, I'm liking the results. Yeah. Okay, let me wrap this up. All right, guys, I'm gonna say goodbye to you, and hopefully you have a great day. And I want you guys to be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, love ya.